welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite vlogger, MsJJ. And today's vlog, guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang sekreto ko sa pagtunaw ng taba. Anyway, i-share ko sa inyo, guys, yung daily routine ko or yung prep ko in the morning, kung ano yung iniinom ko or ginagawa ko or kinakain ko. So, today's morning, guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng bulletproof coffee. So, sometimes kasi, guys, I'm drinking bulletproof coffee. Bulletproof coffee, guys, for those people who's not familiar about this, if you are into fasting, guys, this is very helpful for you so that you're not easy na maging hungry. And, of course, the ingredients of this bulletproof coffee, you need to have a butter, especially unsalted butter, guys, okay? And of course, sweetener and coffee are main ingredient, okay? So, let's start to do this. Don't forget that you need to use blender, okay? Because this blender will help to mix all the ingredients together, okay? So let's do this together, guys. Girls, our bulletproof coffee is done. So, let's drink this together. Oh, so much yummy. So, kitty girls, the taste of this bulletproof coffee is like cappuccino, okay? It's creamy and still coffee, the butter, you'll not taste that much. But it's so much creamy and delicious. So, kitty girls, ito na nga. I-reveal ko na sa inyo for our recipe para sa ating vegetable salad with... Charan! So, mga ka-kitty, these are our ingredient to have a vegetable salad, and this ingredients is available in the supermarket, but it's up on you if you want to have a purple cabbage. It's not necessary, guys, okay? You can have the green one of this, and we have here the onion and broccoli, and of course the capsicum. You can also use the small one of this, and I have here a chili pickle. You can add a regular chili also. And we have here mayonnaise and vinegar and salt. And we have here the prosciutto meat, okay? You can use bacon. It's up on you, guys, okay? It's up on you if what kind of meat you want to add. You can go also chicken, okay? Ouch! It's so painful, guys. Oh, my nails is crack, you know? That's so painful. Okay. It's so hard to open this, my goodness. Uy! Oh, my nails is injured. Okay. Oh my god, this is so tight. The wrap is so tight. Okay. And this one. Oh my goodness. This wrap is so much. Like really hard to open. And this one. Okay. So, mga kakiti, we have here a hot water. This is not warm. Hot water, so we can soak our broccoli there. We can make it stay like mga 2 minutes lang or 3 minutes, okay? And, yep. Let's stay there, okay? Okay. Let's here my prosciutto, the half of this I'll make it fry, but the half because this one is already cooked. So let's fry the half, okay? Ouch! Okay na na. So, kitty cat girls, I'll tell you about this one. It's really hard to find here in Cebu, especially in the Philippines, you know. Thank you to my source, Gourmet Shawarma, located in Escario. They have a really nice mga foodies there from outside the country. And this is a chili pickle. Alright, so mga kiti, let's start to make our sauce, diba? So, let's start with mayo, okay? Let's add this one. And vinegar, diba? Suka sa Bisaya. Ano sa Tagalog, ani? Abot lang. Then, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and then mix it well, darling, okay? Mix. And I forgot something. I'm sorry. You need to have a sugar, okay? I'll get 1.
Okay. So I have this one, the
no calorie sweetener, okay? So let's add. I just use half only. Half of the sachet. And then some salt. Small amount. Okay, I still have extra and then I put it back, okay? And mix. It's depend, guys, if how much is kanang inyong vegetables. So, you can adjust your sauce, okay? So, it's not that much dry and it's not that much wetty. Okay, so for me, I think I will add all of this one. The mayo. Okay. There you go. I add this one. Girls, done na itong sauce. So, let's add our cabbage. By the way, ha, I wash my hand. Gahi kay siya. So hot. It's so gahi. Okay. And add our broccoli. Yarn. 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 And okay, then so mga kakiti, finally our salad is done. There you go. Okay, so let's try this. Alright mga kakiti, let's try this now. If magugustuhan ba ng ating mga katao-tao dito.
Let's try this. Huwag ulit try this.
Alright mga kitty, let's try this, okay? Okay, I have here the big chunk. Heaven taste. Wow. Guys, this is very perfect for you guys if you're into fasting. And nag-uumad kayo or once a day meal. Parang ganun. So delicious, so crunchy, little bit of salty, little bit of sugary, sweet, and sour, and so creamy. Voila! Everything so perfect.
Guys, wonderful.
Alright mga kikiti, I hope that you learned this new recipe guys and you enjoy our vlog for today. I'm enjoying also and I can't wait to eat more of the vegetable salad. And thank you so much for watching guys. If you want to know my daily story, don't forget to follow my Instagram or my social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated to all my vlogs. Thank you so much and mwah! Bye for now!